If you want to create a contact on Google Pixel 11, you can open the phone app. And first, let's start with recent calls. So if someone called you recently, or you called someone, and now you want to add that phone number to the contacts list, then you can tap on the entry over here, and you should be able to find Add Contact button. So you can tap over here, then you can set up the first name and the surname, of course optionally, and you can also choose where exactly that contact should be saved. And let's say I'm just gonna set up a simple name over here, and we can also tap on more details in case you want to find, of course, or if you want to add more information about the contact, and you can just tap on the save in the upper right corner. And there we go, the selected contact has been created. What you can also do is you can go to the keypad over here, and you can start entering the number that you want to add, that you want to save in the contacts list, and then you can choose create a new contact, or you can choose add to contact, and here we also have create new contact. So either way, you can just use one of these two options, and the rest is pretty much the same. And besides that, if you go to the contacts list, so if you tap on view contacts here, for example, or if you go to these three lines in the upper left corner and go to contacts, then at the top of the contacts list, we have create contact. So here we can set up a new contact as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.